Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow the share note participants to add more people on the iPhone 14 series. Now you can see here in this particular share note for this particular contact, at the moment I allow them to add more people, and in this share note, if I touch and hold on that and tap on manage share note, currently they are allowed to add more people to this share note, the top secret share note. Now if I turn this feature off, then they will not be able to share or add more people to that share note. Now first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the Notes app. Then in the folders, tap on Shared. Now touch and hold on the share note that you want to change, and then tap on Manage Share Note. Next, tap on the participants or the people that you share with, and then in here, tap on this button, Can Add People. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. If it is turned off, I'm going to tap on the Done button to save the changes. Now if it is switched off, you can see here on my other device, if I try to go in and add other people, the option is now disabled or removed, so I cannot add other people to this share note. And if I go back into here and turn it back on, so I go to manage share notes, and for that participant, I can allow them to add more people to this share note. Then you can see here, now this time I can go in, manage share notes, and now I have the option to share with more people. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.